Good morning students, this is your English written work. Today we will do new sound of SH. Sound of SH. Now first number it is sheep. SHEEP sheep. SHEEP sheep. Next right is fish. FISH fish. FISH fish. Next right shake. SHAKE shake. SHAKE shake. Next is push. PUSH push. PUSH push. Next is wash. WASH wash. WASH wash. Next is shirt. SHIRT shirt. SHIRT shirt. Next is shake. SHAKE shake. SHAKE shake. Next is wish. WISH wish. WISH wish. Next is shoe. SHOE shoe. SHOE shoe. Next is push. PUSH push. PUSH push. Next is shoot. SHOOT shoot. SHOOT shoot. Next is shed. SHED shed. SHED shed. Next is ship. SHIP ship. SHIP ship. Next is dish. DISH dish. DISH dish. Next is shop. SHOP shop. SHOP shop. Next is bush. BUSH bush. BUSH bush. Next is cash. CASH cash. CASH cash. Next is rash. RASH rash. RASH rash. Next right shade. SHADE shade. SHADE shade. Next is hush. HUSH hush. HUSH hush. Next right fresh. FRESH fresh. FRESH fresh. Next is dash. DASH dash. DASH dash. Thank you students.